What's up guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Oppo has announced international release plans for its first smartwatch, the Oppo Watch. The device was launched in China earlier this year with a customized version of Android, but Oppo is shipping the global model with Google's Wear OS on board. Oppo describes the Oppo Watch as the world's first smartwatch with a dual curved display, meaning the OLED panel curves on two edges like many of the company's phones. It's available in 46mm and 41mm sizes with optional LTE connectivity in the larger model. The 430 mAh battery charges in 75 minutes and gets half full in 15 days. Thanks to the team of The Verge, who has already tested the Chinese version of the Oppo Watch and they found the hardware to be pretty good, but it's impossible to avoid the fact that it looks an awful lot like an Apple Watch. As they wrote at the time, overall I think this watch looks fine in a vacuum, but there is no getting around it. People are either going to think we are wearing an Apple Watch or realize you are wearing something that just looks like an Apple Watch. It's up to you whether that's what you want out of your wristwear. I personally liked what Oppo did with the software on the Chinese version, including some of the built-in apps. Wear OS will no doubt be an improvement in terms of making the device useful outside China, but we will have to see whether Oppo has been able to replicate the same functionality with less control over the operating system. Oppo says the watch will roll out from today in selective markets but has not given board details on exactly where and when that will be. We do have pricing information for a couple of key regions though. In the UK, the 46mm Oppo watch will cost $484 and the 41mm will be $300, while in India it will be rupees 19,999 for the 46mm and 14,999 for the 41mm. So what do you guys think about this watch? Let me know down in the comment section, and as always I will see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. Thank you.